Welcome to this TWTG explainer video. In this video, we will demonstrate the quick and easy installation of the neon vibration sensor. Please be aware of all safety guidelines and restrictions that might apply in the area where this product will be installed and create a safe working environment suited for installation. Please note that this explainer video only applies to the neon vibration sensor. For further detailed information, please consult the manual. We will explain this installation process in a few easy steps. Open the box and take out its contents. The box includes a product sheet, the neon vibration sensor and transmitter, and an M6 bolt. Always check the device for impact damages of any kind. Check both the sensor and transmitter. Any other items, such as the chemically bonded glue adapter, are separate items that are sold separately. Step 1. There are 3 ways of mounting the transmitter. Option A, with screws. Option B, with a band clamp. Option C, with magnets. Please note that mounting the transmitter with magnets is only for temporary use. In this video, we will only demonstrate the mounting with screws and a band clamp. We will first demonstrate option A, mounting the transmitter by using screws. For this, you use the mounting holes in the device's bracket. Place the transmitter with the mounting bracket against the desired flat surface. Use M4 screws in the screw holes to fix the transmitter in place. You are done after a final check to ensure everything is firmly mounted. Next, we will demonstrate option B, mounting the transmitter using a band clamp. Use a 14mm wide band clamp. Take the band clamp and attach it to the transmitter. Place the band clamp around the pole with the adjustable tightener and fix it in place. Make sure it is not too tight. You are done after a final check to ensure everything is firmly in place. Now you are done with installing the transmitter. Step 2. With the transmitter firmly in place, we will demonstrate how to install the sensor. Find a suitable surface of at least 40mm in diameter. Thoroughly clean the surface of the object to be measured by sanding it off and cleaning it with a wipe and alcohol. For the correct operation, the vibration sensor needs to be installed in the correct orientation. Use the cable as a reference for the Y-axis direction. For more detailed information, please check the ISO standard. There are 3 ways of installing the sensor. Option A, by using a chemically bonded adapter. Option B, by using the bolt only. Option C, with a magnet adapter. In this video, we will only demonstrate option A, installing the sensor using a chemically bonded adapter. See the datasheet of your particular glue on how to prepare the surface. Attach the adapter to the surface according to the applicable standards. Make sure the adapter is parallel to the mounted surface. Let the adhesive cure for the time as stated in the datasheet of your particular glue. Attach the vibration sensor to the adapter using the supplied M6 bolt. Ensure proper orientation. Tighten the screw using a torque wrench. Minimum torque 14 nanometers. Maximum torque 16.3 nanometers. You are done after a final check to ensure everything is firmly in place. Now the neon vibration sensor and transmitter are installed. Make sure the wire from the sensor is attached to the transmitter. The cable should point downwards and, if necessary, be supported with a strain relief. We assume the device is added to the LoRa network server. Then you can start activating the device. Step 3. Activating the device. Press and hold the button on the transmitter for 5 seconds. It will blink blue during this. After holding the button for 5 seconds, the device will first check the LoRa network. The button blinks white while it checks the LoRa network. Within a typical of maximum 3 minutes, the device will show either white, illuminated, checking sensor communication, or red blink twice, check network. Within 30 seconds maximum, the device will show either white blinking, sending activation over LoRa, or red blink twice, check sensor. After communicating over LoRa, within a typical maximum of 3 minutes, the device will show either green illuminated, the device is activated, or red blink twice, check network. When activated, the device will appear in your network. When using the solid red software suite, the data from the sensor will be visible like this. The installation and activation have been completed. For further details, specifications, or component terminology, please refer to the manual or contact our service desk.